What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before we get into this one, like every single video, please make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Let's get the numbers up, views, likes, comments, subscribe, everything, all the engagement. You know, it needs to go up higher. We need it much higher now. 5k is the next target. I don't even care for 4,000 subscribers. We need 5,000 and we need more numbers, all that good stuff. It's taking us time, but we're getting there, man. But yeah, let's just get into this video. I really wanted to see what this one looked like, the color. I'm 50-50 on this one as well, but let's just get into it, man. We got the Nike Tech Fleece. So this Tech Fleece is deep royal. So all the bright blue whatever is deep royal. Then we've got the other part of the hoodie, which is black and blue. I'm just gonna call it navy or whatever. Let's throw the joggers to the side and let's do the hoodie. Quickly whip that off. So what annoyed me low-key about this pair is it's got fully blue, like royal blue, completely royal blue joggers. If it was like a bit more of this on here, like, you know, kind of split or whatever, I think that would be 10-10. But I still don't mind it. I like the color. It's quite different. I don't really wear bright colors, but you know, you have to give it a go sometimes. So we've got the normal Tech Fleece joggers with all blue or royal, whatever you want to call it. Got the royal cuffs. Got a proper bright white swoosh. As always, Tech Fleece, it always comes with the black string. And then we have the information. There's a part on here that actually says, there we go, warning, no protection, no protection, no protective function, not personal protective equipment. And you can see the price, 90 quid. If you see that, slim fit, taper leg, regular length. So it's slim fit, tapered leg, regular length. Recently I've been annoyed with Tech Fleece because some of them are too baggy, some of them are perfect. It's really quite annoying to find the right size. So sometimes you have to go true to size, sometimes size down, sometimes the size up. It's just so confusing for me and it's quite annoying, especially £90 for some joggers is not a small amount. We've got the back or the side pocket, which they only have on one side. It's the plain black as literally every zip. I haven't seen another color zip. And then we've got the little, you know, nylon in there, whatever, to separate it. But yeah, it's got the zip. You know, you love a zip on some joggers, man. Then we have the hoodie. So I prefer the hoodie over the joggers, to be honest, because I think this hoodie can be worn with something else as well. So we've got like the navy and royal split cuffs. Please Nike, man, watch my videos and change these cuffs to the same cuffs as the joggers. But we've got, you know, the black ribbon on here. It's got the V, the type of windbreaker style with the royal at the top, navy partial, just up to literally the pockets and stuff. And then it's got like a bit of material, and all the back is full of, you know, that royal blue color. And the hood is fully navy on the outside. It does have the split as they do, so the 1, 2, 3, 4 panels, navy blue, and then all the inside is actually the royal blue. So, you know, it is what it is. And then, as always, the most important bit, or the bit I love the most, it's got that zip pocket again, this time on the arm. The reason I like this one is like the CP company, you know, it's got a little something there, like bomber jackets, a little zip, a little pocket. Really like that. I think, you know, it brings the hoodie out a bit more. Even though it's just one plain zip, like, it does a lot. We've got the tape here, and literally you can see the tape slightly different colors. So it's got like a slightly darker blue than that. Then we've got the black tape. I believe that's the stitching underneath that it feels like it. And then we've got the black tape, or the dark, it actually looks quite black to be honest, so I think it is a black tape. Standard black zip is the double zip that Nike have, so you can open it however. If you want to feel like Superman, you can. On the inside, not that anyone cares, it's all mostly royal. And then we've got, you know, navy blue on the pockets and the inside of the pocket or whatever. And then we got that good old information label. I've actually never actually read the information label, what it says. How to wash it and stuff. Wash inside out with light colors. Do not allow it to lay on itself when wet. Fasten all closures to wash and dry. I'm not going to bore you people with that. But yeah, man, I really do like the color. It's growing on me more I see it. Just the only headache I have with it, or the only annoyance, is that it didn't have like the joggers split, because there's like, you know, so much navy on the hood, on the arms, on the front, and then even it's got the black on the bottom here, so around the waist, and then black on the cuff. And then this is just navy, royal, sorry, this is just plain royal. I think if it was slightly different, you know, edited a bit, if it had the navy across there, or just like navy legs or something, you know, it might have looked a bit better. Because this one, I see what Nike are doing now, like the tops, some of them are, you know, different to the joggers. Quite a few I've seen, they have the same theme. So for example, if it's split, the joggers will be split. Some are like this one, which, you know, I'm not a fan of, to be honest, but I want to see how it looks properly, and then I'll be able to judge and decide if I actually like it. But yeah, you know, retail price, 90 for joggers, 110 for hoodie, £200 total. I got a discount on this, so I got it for cheaper, around 160, which is still quite expensive. But if we just divide that by 2, it's 80 quid each, so 80 for a hoodie and 80 for joggers. Or if you want to be technical, you can say 90 for hoodie and 70 for joggers. Which, you know, is quite expensive in this day and age, man. Like, especially for Nike, like, come on, Nike, man, you need to change them prices and bring something cheaper out. And yeah, you know, I would love to see a few more designs. I want to see different good patterns, good designs and stuff like that. And yeah, I can't wait for these to hit the outlets again, man. Back in the day, they used to hit the outlets. But yeah, that's enough of me rambling on, enough of me waffling. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe. Most importantly, take care, people.